Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Stop overthinking. Put more energy on what you really want to do. Don't use your energy on worry. Use it to believe and find a way. To think too much is a disease. Overthinking is like a vacuum of some kind. It sucks you in. The more you overthink, the less you will understand. Thinking too deeply will only drown me. While you were overthinking, you missed everything worth feeling. Things won't get better unless you think better. There is nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it so. You cannot get what you want by thinking about what you don't want. Always make sure your optimistic thoughts wildly outnumber your fears and regrets. Nothing can harm you as much as your own thoughts unguarded. Buddha. Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make the world. Overthinking is often a product of underdoing. Thinking too much leads to paralysis by analysis. It's important to think things through, but many use thinking as a means of avoiding action. Overthinking arises when you unconsciously provoke negative emotions and thoughts and avoid positive emotions and thoughts. Worrying about how things might go wrong does not help things to go right. If you want to conquer overthinking, bring your mind to the present moment and reconnect it with the immediate world. Rule number 1: don't sweat the small stuff. Rule number 2 is it's all small stuff. The best way to stop overthinking is conscious micro-action meditation, Laghu Jnana Kriya. Spend 80% of your time focusing on the opportunities of tomorrow rather than the problems of yesterday. When I look back on all these worries, I remember the story of the old man who said on his deathbed that he had had a lot of trouble in his life, most of which had never happened. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Good day to you.